Okay.
Oh, this place might be on fire.
I have my lighter back. Can't do that.
I think it's all on the wall right there. There's a fire axe. Oh.
There we go.
Okay. Oh yeah, something's.
I know, I found it. Oh.
There's another door over somewhere?
Maybe back in here. I know it!
There's an interact button to get back over that wall. Right there. Yep.
Where? Get the fence? Is that the door? I can't even swing this thing.
Is there a wooden door over there somewhere?
I didn't see it.
Like, go back over there, because I don't know. Doesn't look like anything in here. I don't know why it would lead you over there. Just to...
I feel like the vent has something to do with it, man. Maybe not. Probably use the axe to find a way out. I feel like I have to pull up the stupid vent with the axe or something.
Lighter.
Lighter.
Yeah, I have no idea. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, why are we being dramatic? Let me out. Did I die as I was crawling in the hole?
Ain't no way.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay, let's jump down. We know where to go.
Yeah, I think it's actually this pipe that you break whenever you hop down here.
Yeah, so it has been going since the beginning. Whatever. We'll do it quick this time. That was my lighter. I'm gonna need that.
When you pick up the axe, it kickstarts it. Can you take the axe with you?
No, it drops it. I don't like this at all. My lighter's doing nothing. Okay.
It was caught on the wall. This is how I be in them guts. I'll be spelunking in them. Who knows?
Just gonna speed run.
Maybe I'll find a gold nugget in there too.
Okay, that's enough. Nothing really scary has happened in this little side mission. Am I back in the house? Okay. We need more missions like that. There's footprints. Never mind.
Oh.
Thought we were done.
Let's follow the footprints, shall we? Oh, we gotta save. I think turn on the lights already down here. Oh. 4 feet.
Where are these? Are they going back here?
No, they just kind of in there.
Oh,
the shard.
alright.
So that looked like a piece of a mask. So we've gotten 3 of those shards so far, right?
Something like that.
Okay, let's go back up to the... Well, I mean...
Oh, I think I know. So we're trying to get these videotapes, right? And
Yep.
that sends us on a side mission, which gives us a shard. I guarantee one of the videotapes, at least, has to do with those picture frames.
Yeah. But we don't have all the videotapes, though.
That's what I'm saying. I bet doing that picture frame is going to give us a videotape.
Okay, so where do we place the picture frame?
I don't know.
Maybe in that closet. That's like a pretty flat space. Can you interact with the wall of it?
No, it's not going to be. There's going to be some kind of a sign that tells us.
You turn on the lights, bud. So now we got these bitches back. Oh, it's the ones down there to your left. That's one. Okay. Now what do we need to look for another chapter thing somewhere.
What did we ever do with the crowbar? Just that one thing, that one time?
I think so. Where the last chapter thing be at, though?
Do we go back to the progress room, maybe?
Yeah, we can check there. But after that, I think we should go to the center of the house. Oh, yeah, see the center, right there.
Yeah, we're building a...
It's incomplete. So we got 1, 2, 3.
We did all the main chapter things.
Thought you read that there was 4 chapters, though.
No, there's the 3 mains and then whatever this is.
Look at the things. How many are we missing?
1, I'd say 3 more, maybe 4.
Let's go. Oh wait, crouch down. Oh, a little secret.
Oh.
Just for me. A little treat.
Still can't get in there.
Let's go to the center of the house, see if we can't find something. Has that always been there?
It's an empty frame. We're supposed to be building a frame, so that's not going to be it, right? We don't have to put nothing in there.
No. Shut up, bitch. Oh, uh-oh.
Stop.
Oh, no, you're dead.
Oh? Do we answer?
Yeah.
Hello again, Dwayne. How are things going over there? Is everything fine? Anything good on TV? If you need some recommendations, I could ask Frank. He sure loves his TV shows. He's either eating, sleeping, or in front of that idiot box. Sometimes a sloppy mixture of all 3. The hardest thing I've ever had to do is wrench the remote controller from his hands. It's the only thing he loves more than me. Probably because of the mute button. I could just go on and on and on and on about things. But look at me talking your ear off. Maybe he's right about that mute button. Just never mind. Dwayne, I'm sorry. I'll let you go now. Talk soon.
Maybe the T. Oh. Turn the lights on in here.
The TV and the...
Oh, the lights are on. Then you got the hallway light to your left here. Okay, and this light. Let's get all the fucking lights back on in this bitch. So we're not accidentally walking through dark places. I don't even know where the fucking light for this one is. That's a weird place for it, but you know. Okay, maybe the TV remote. Maybe that's a hint.
See, there's this TV and there's the TV in the basement.
Oh, yeah, there's... Oh, wait, look at that thing on the ground. I think that's common. It is.
Did we just miss that before?
I guess.
So, I don't see nothing there. Do we go to the basement to check?
Look around in the center here, see if we can't find another chapter thing. Because if we're done, now we're probably just need to be finding secrets and shit like that.
Yeah.
I mean, there's that wall. That's the only wall in the house that has, like, paint on it. Maybe that's where you construct the door out of the picture frames, huh?
Where?
Where you just came from. To your left. Yeah. Oh. Try and break the wall.
Where's Sledgy?
Let's go see if that phone call had anything to do, though.
Okay.
There's other TV first, and then...
Has that been there too?
Yeah, it's been there. I don't know what it's done. Hit the light switches right there. Okay. Is there a TV remote in that drawer?
No.
I think this area is just a dark area overall.
Yeah, let's get out of here. We will grab the sledgehammer though.
I don't know why it would give us a phone call like then and there for something like that.
I know, that's weird.
And she emphasizes the TV remote, and there's 2 TVs in the house, but I haven't seen a remote for either of them, so that is kind of weird.
I'm gonna have to drop this.
Didn't say that. I think that lighter's out pretty much anyway. Huh?
What do we have here?
Okay.
Oh.
It's just drywall.
I
Come
know,
on.
this dude is so slow and dramatic with everything he does.